start, gentlemen. Manjeet, start.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. So my story, I have 4 characters, 2 male, 2 female, of age around 21 to 23. The main character of my story is a female of age 23, and mood of the people are positive. The action of my story is catching the terrorist group. So Captain Priya was doing her regular patrolling when she got an intel that there is terrorist group hiding in ambush and they are planning to attack on a village. She immediately checked the authenticity of the intel and by the other people, and she immediately took her friends and set up a task force. She also informed the headquarter about the incident. She immediately went ahead to catch the enemies. She took 2 persons to attack from behind and 2 person to attack from front. And in the end, she catch the terrorist and was very happy to avoid a big accident.
Next. Kanchan.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. Sorry. Yeah, my story consists a word figure, and it have a one character, and his name is Mahesh, and who is an army officer on the rank of colonel, and he was very busy before 2 months in war in battle, and what I say, yeah, and actually he is very brave, but before some time before 2 days, he saw that means some of the like June JCOs are not doing well, because they all are very like yeah, they all are injured very badly, and because of this they are not able to do very well, and after some time they realize that means if I am not doing not encourage them, then they are not able to do very well.
Next.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Vishnu Malik, and here I'm telling a story about a male who is 20, whose age is 28. Rahul was the captain of his school cricket team. He is very humble and polite to everyone. He won many tournaments and selected for a state cricket team. After playing at national level, he decided to join army and want to do something for the nation. He cleared the test and joined army by sports quota. That's it.
Next, Sasi Bhushan.
Good morning. I have perceived 4 characters in this story. Age lies in between 22 to 24, and all of them are in positive mood. And the action of my story is inter Natak competition. And Ram and his friend, they participated in Natak competition. Ram went to market and in order to buy all the clothes and stuff, and so that they can wear in the Natak. And he brought journals and videos so that they can learn out of it, and they can rectify their mistake wherever they are making. And also he made a WhatsApp group, so that they can discuss over there that what all things that they are doing. And on a very day they explored their character very well, and they won the competition. Thank you, sir.
Good morning to everyone. In my story, 4 characters, and one of them is a captain of his team group. And one day, enemy entered inside the border of the country, and Shivam led his troops and fought with bravely with them, and victory over them, and that's all.
Start discussing, gentlemen. Discuss to come to conclusion.
I have perceived 4 characters in this story. Hello.
Go ahead.
I have put 4 characters in this story, and all of them are in positive. And the age lies, and also age lies in between 22 to 23. And the action of this story is inter-nata competition, because all of them are all of them are looking very much tired, and they are sitting. All of the they have worn put on a head, so it is somewhere or the other reflecting a kind of stage or a natak, because somebody is like, sir, I am सिर्फ मैं ही पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ, और कोई बोल नहीं रहा.
Yeah. Yeah, me in this picture, all are very tired, and it seems that they are doing lots of work before some time, and yeah, it seems like all are between 25 to 30 years old, and yeah, and after some time he victory to any work. Yeah, that's all.
I think
that,
this is a story of not 22 2 or 23. There are 4 men, and they're relaxing after winning battle, because the style of their sitting and relaxing is like they are cooked and they have won something. So I think the mode of the story is in a positive way, and they won the battle.
So,
Okay, it
we
is like,
have to come to a common story. We can't just go around and start to say that this can be a story or this can be. We have to agree to one story. So I think I believe that my story is quite because in my story there is action. So we can just take our my story as in saving the village or saving people from terrorists or something. If you agree, if you all
I think it
agree.
is very much evident that there are 4 characters in this story, so we
Yes.
should agree on this. And also the age lies in between 22 to 24. This is also evident,
Yes,
and all of them are looking very much positive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
You are
the
right.
very first thing that I have noticed in the picture, that all of them are wearing hat, normal hat, casual hat. So it
Just number
brought
4,
me.
we can say that they are dressed up in army dress, because army people also wear hat. We can't just say that they are in my
No,
opinion. I'm just,
No, the thing
No,
is
no,
that
it doesn't
if they
matter.
are
Wait,
going
wait.
on a battle, or if they are going on a battle, so they must wear a helmet. So they are not wearing helmet, so it
Yeah.
brought
No, no,
me.
no, no. It's no. It's not a, big deal, because if you are sitting in position, then you are not wearing a helmet. So it's not a big deal. I think, but yeah, Manpreet is little bit wrong, because in any natak, you are wearing uniform. It's not matter if anyone wearing uniform, then he is an means he's in working.
I agree to chess number 2 that it
No,
can
I
be
think
can be a natak scene. So we have to make. Is everyone decided that we will make a story around a natak theme or something?
no. That's not an attack. It's a
No,
scene
it's a
after battle. I think we should go with battle. Yeah,
Okay, we
because
should go with
there.
battle. Okay, so the action is
We should
the
go with
action of the
battle.
story is that they went to battle.
They have fought a
And
little. They have fought a battle, and they have won
and
after.
fought bravely. Uh,
like, who is the main lead? Let's discuss about that thing.
Yeah.
Who is the protagonist of this story? So Ram is the protagonist of this story, and he is the
Yeah.
captain of Indian Army. And see, he got an intel that there are group a group of terrorists. They have come intrude in their
Base camp.
a base camp. And so Ram will going to the captain Ram, he informed their
No. Base camp is so. No. Base camp is not good. We can say patrolling area.
territory.
Because
Okay.
base
Yeah,
camp
it
is
seems. Yeah, it seems like patrolling area. Yeah.
patrolling area.
So as we decided our main character and action, so we can put action put things into action, that what are the things which our main character did.
So okay, he first he decided his senior officers that this is what all things happening. There are a couple of people who intrude in our base camp or patrolling area.
Hmm.
And then he decided that he will go along with 4 or 5 junior officers, junior Sepoy or Nayak.
Soldiers. Hmm.
I agree to section number 4 that first he immediately informed the headquarters, and at the same time he set up a plan to catch those terrorists by himself with the people with whom he went to patrolling. So then he decided a proper plan and executed it properly so that he can catch the terrorists.
Okay.
I think we should exclude the term of because it may be in patrolling areas, it may be sudden action. I think.
Then also he have to plan some properly. Like he can't go like immediately and start fighting the terrorists. He have to
That's
plan.
it. But you have to
Yeah.
plan. So, yeah, you can.
Yeah, one thing you want to mention, like means something is impossible, but they are able to do as a possible, and after that they win the battle.
So, this is the story.
No, it's not a story. Like if you mention some action, then it seems like yeah, you are doing means yeah, it.
Yeah, got it. So, there is a story is complete.
No, one thing is after victory they were relaxing and joy. The last of the story. Let's conclude the story with
Okay. So, it's complete or not?
yeah.
We can start with the story of Ram of Shashi Bhushan and conclude with the one of the battle of borderline area patrolling something. Isn't it?
Yes.
He
Yeah.
decided that our main character is Ram, who is a captain
Yeah.
in Indian Army.
Yeah.
He went for the patrolling
Yeah.
and he saw that there are intruders who
Yeah.
are planning to attack. And then then he informed the headquarters. At the same
Yeah.
time, he with the other teammates went ahead to catch them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he
And
successfully catch the intruders.
catch
and,
or kill? Catch or kill? Catch or kill?
Catch. Why
Okay.
would he kill them? He
Okay.
successfully catched the intruders and
Yeah.
On investigating found out that they were planning to attack the village.
Yeah. And after that, they were sitting and relaxing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And he was happy that
Okay.
he avoided a big accident.
Okay. Sure. We can proceed it. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
We have come to a common conclusion.
What's the conclusion? Let's hear some common conclusion now.
Conclusion is that all the soldier fought with his team and as a unity and become success.
May I, sir?
Need someone to conclude this story.
Shashi Bhushan or Manjeet?
Okay. Hello, may I?
Yeah. Continue.
I have perceived 4 characters in this story, and all of them, the age lies in between 22 to 25. And Ram, who is a captain of Indian Army, he got an intel that a couple of people who are from a different country, they intrude in our territory. So Ram informed their seniors, and he took a permission that he will go out and he will see that what all things are happening. So he picked up he picked up a couple of people who are very much aware about the area, and also having a knowledge about that area, that what all things are there. So he went there and he made a plan and execute very well. and he saw, and first and first he went there and he saw that what all things they are doing, and he was able to catch all the terrorists, and he brought them into his unit. That's it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, right, Kiman. How many of you are confident of doing well? Okay, first and start. Manjeet, are you happy with your performance?
Sir,
Manjeet.
I think I could have done better.
Okay, Manjeet, you let me just there's nothing wrong with your story. What is wrong is very simple. All of you can afford to unmute yourself and unmute yourself, and anyone who comes back, they can come back by unmuting himself. Manjeet, now as far as you are concerned, your story had everything in it. You talked because there are 4 soldiers lying, and you talked about the soldiers being on there. So what is your discussion should have started with the discussion? Like, there are the 4
I'm
people.
really sorry, sir. I can't hear you. Could you please?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm trying to Manjeet, you
Yes.
had the making of a good story. Your story should have started. Gentlemen, as you can see, gentlemen and women, what was since they are all in uniform, they are relaxing around there. This indicates it's a group of soldiers. And you all agree with me or not? That's how the thing should have started. And since they are relaxing on there, it seems on that these have already concluded some operation and they are relaxing now. As per me, this says they are the group of soldiers headed by Captain Ram or whatever the name that you are given around there. On finding this, information about the terrorists, they planned it, they executed, and they came back. That's how this story should have shown. Okay, Binti, what you have got really got passive in between. You could afford to sustain you so in spite of the fact your thinking was in right direction, you lack, you underconfident. You lack that confidence. You believe you didn't really believe yourself. Fortunately for you, everyone has agreed to your story. That indicates you had your thinking process was right, but you couldn't afford to justify your own story in the way it should have been done. Writing of the story, it requires a lot of improvement. We were simply talked about creating a task force, informing the people, arranging the people. You couldn't talk about the action. That is primarily because lack of practice. You do not have practical information about this terrorist activity. What you are reading and what you are seeing in a TV, that is what from there you have taken it off. So that's the reason I always maintain that you should pick up a story about which you have got a good information, practical information. Because it is simply because of lack of information, you could not afford to do well. After that, you allowed people, you came butted into the discussion much later on. In spite of the fact you had the best story out of all the 5, and you came into discussion much later on. I said in a group, that the group task force will have to be done. What is group task? Initiator. Who starts the discussion? And what is initiator? You remember the definition that we gave it. Initiator is starting in an unfamiliar situation and reacting into evolving situation. Number 3, maintaining it till such time solution is found out or till such time the task is done. Come in, Manisha. Come in, Manjeet. Okay, so that is what should have been done, which you are not being in a position to do that. Next comes to Kanchan. Where is Kanchan?
Yes, sir.
Kanchan, now the problem with you around there, your story itself was strong. You really got confused. You have a fairly good brain. You can think rightly, but your story formation itself was far away from what should have been done. I've already talked. You talked about JCOs not doing well. You are trying to criticize people. You are trying to take glory at the cost of CEO cannot afford to be telling his men are bad. If his men, the CEO doesn't deserve to be a CEO. He can't allow his men to be bad, can he? He's walking on his shoulder. He's not going to fire a bullet. Probably he's going to maintain his on the higher status.
Yes, sir.
So what he's going to say totally went wrong, awfully wrong. Secondly, there's hardly any action has been done. And you only you left your own decision and you already agreed to someone else's story. That means you are not at all happy with your own story. Your participation itself required much more to to be part of it.
Okay, sir.
So now total. Similarly goes to Vishnu. Vishnu has talked about it. Vishnu talked about cricket and joining services, and you
Yes, sir.
even discussing when you're giving all the story just for 25 seconds. It requires 60 seconds to complete the story. You couldn't afford to do that. So there's a need to change yourself. Similarly goes for the Shashi Bhushan. Shashi Bhushan started with his story was probably though different. There's nothing wrong with his story. Why did you hear it from someone else? You thought your story was wrong and you totally gave it to someone else. You gave it to Manjeet. You agreed to Manjeet.
No, sir. I told him that they are wearing hats instead of helmets. So
Shashi Bhushan, there's something called what is you have to be assertive.
yes, sir.
You have to stick to point and you have to fight for your point of story. There's
Yes,
no
sir.
negativity. So you could have given much more detail, even if you want to make a natak. Natak requires a lot of preparation.
Yes, sir.
How did you pick up the theme? Which book did you take it? Was it Dinkar, Rasmirathi, or someone else's?
Yes, sir.
Where did you take it? Why was it necessary? Which place it is going to conduct it? Who are there? So those other part will have to be included. There's nothing wrong. You could have done that. And only
Sir,
because
I thought that I might sound a bit dominating, so that's why I just
there's a difference between dominance and assertiveness.
yes, sir.
I don't want you to be aggressive. I want you to be assertive.
Yes, sir.
That assertive is a phenomenon. Secondly, you cannot around all of you. You did try. Only two. You did try to control the group and other group around there. You require much more. You have to be more positive. You have to develop
Yes, sir.
yourself. Okay. Lastly,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think it's Pritam, isn't it? Who is the last one? Who is the person?
Yes, sir.
Raj Pritam. Raj Pritam, you require you've got your thinking process is right, but you are not able to communicate. Why are you afraid? You are timid, and you try to give a story which you are not even confident. Firstly, you were
Yes, sir.
at the mercy. He came back and said, "I'll give out the story," and the story that you have given was totally different from what you try to agree. As a result, now what is happening? You totally mucked it up. You cannot afford to do that.
Yes, sir. I try to improve.
You have to option. As I said, no, remember my earlier say, I never guarantee anyone will pass or fail, but I really want people to add a value. We want to add a value to you. And this no one is going to tell you around the way we are going to talk about it. So I want you to improve. I want you to think. I want you to give out from out there. When you total discussion, not you put the all of it to talk for even to 3 minutes. That was the end of it. You lost the first speaker to go on PNW. Yes, am I the only person to speak? Others are not from participants. So it's a sad story. With this sort of group discussion, none of you can ever afford to pass. Batches after batches are just sent out without even passing in one even test. At this time, endeavor to fight for your own system. Life and death. You have put so much effort to pass the written test. Why can't you do well here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone, any question now? Let's have any question from anyone.
So I have a doubt.
Yeah, come back. Open.
So as you mentioned that I like confidence, right? And it's a problem. I know that I have certain self-confidence lacking problem. So how to work on that? Like
Open up your video, please. How does confidence come? Manjeet,
when
how
you
does
know
confidence
when
comes?
you are enough knowledgeable.
First and foremost, confidence comes because of knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Second, if you are knowledgeable, your confidence automatically comes, isn't it? Second, confidence comes because knowing your strengths and weaknesses. Strengths and weaknesses. So you have to understand what your strength, what your weaknesses.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Yeah, until you get your strength and weaknesses right, you cannot afford to be confident. Thirdly, you ought to believe it, believe in yourself. That I
Okay,
call
sir.
self-efficacy. Self-efficacy. You have to believe in yourself that I can always afford to perform. We have not come from heaven. We have all come from this part of the world itself. So what is the difference? If I want to do it, I can do it. So the belief on self is most important. Thirdly,
Yes, sir.
interact with the people in and around. Be bold, want to go and meet the society. People may laugh at you. I'll give an example of a candidate I had around. He was from the Jharkhand. He couldn't afford to speak English. And when he came back till 7th, 8th, he used to fail. And after that round there, I had interacted probably after, say, 8th, 9th, get 10th. That is the time and he used to take up newspaper, standing from the class, read all people used to laugh at me. Jungli bolta tha usko. And same gentleman, when we went around there after interaction for 5 days around there, gentleman, I told him you will pass. And God was kind, he passed. From there, if the confidence comes from self.
Okay, sir.
Have I
So
answered?
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have one more question. Like, if no one is agree with my point, then what I do means I agree with this point.
Understand? I said as a group task role, you can take following action. First, you have to initiate it. You have to start the action.
Okay, sir.
Number two, you can be coordinator. You can coordinate the action. Let's say we are going away from this story. Let's come back, decide this action, which you did try to coordinate in between. You did try to coordinate. Next, opinion seeker. What is your opinion? Opinion giver. What is given? Content contributor.
Yes, sir.
You have to contribute. Until you contribute, there's no way. There are the various ways of communicating, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have I answered your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone? Any other question? Anyone?
Sir, this is Shashi, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I was saying that when I was
open a video, please. When you talk to me, open a video. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was saying that when I was narrating my story, when we were discussing, so that time I was going with my story, but many of them, they were saying that we should go with the army wala. So that is why I should, if I do not agree, I try to make them understand. This is why I've been thinking about that.
Sasi Bhushan, you've got, it's a group of 15. Coming to conclusion is always difficult. I say it's a give and take. How do you come to conclusion? In a group, how do you consensus? It is coming to consensus, isn't it? How do you come to consensus? You have to give and take. There's nothing wrong. But you have left your story is completely going in a different direction. So it means you don't even have confidence in yourself. Well, that's part of it. You have to learn it. That's exactly all the discussion that I'm trying to organize only for this.
Sir, what happened is that when I was trying to make them understand that this is why I've been thinking that. So
if why should they understand? They have got own. They would like to pass. Why should they allow you to pass? So it's a competition, isn't it?
So I thought, sir, if I do not agree with them, then I might sound a bit resistive. So that's why I thought I should.
I said, gave an example of honeybee. Thousands of bees, if they can contribute towards the hive, why can't you contribute?
Yes, sir.
Is it honeybee or not? Can they be example better than thousands of bees? You have only 5 of you. You can't afford to talk properly.
Yes, sir.
That's the unfortunate portion. If the 1,000 people can afford to do it, 1,000 bees, and you are 5, you can't afford to contribute. That is the aim.
Yes, sir.
50% people are going to reject it in this. So please ensure that you remain
assertive, sir.
Assertive.
Sir, could you please elaborate this word assertive? Like, how could
we'll talk about? We'll have full discussion. We'll have a full discussion as in time because assertive is separate. You go Colonel Mukteswar Prasad Patel. You'll find assertive. There's a presentation on the web.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Anything else you would like to suggest me, sir, so that I could bring changes?
We'll talk with, it's just starting, we'll talk as we go. You've got enough time
Yes,
to
sir.
pass. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Any other question down there?